Hello students, welcome to our another video. So in this video we are going to learn how to give shadow effect in our text. So first we are going to the font tab option, then here you can see that there is a shadow option. So from here already they give many styles. You can select styles from there. Otherwise here you can see that there is an outline option. You can select any color of your choice for outline. Then you can again go to that option, select shadow. Here you can see outer, inner, perspective. There are many kind of shadows here. I am going to select a shadow from perspective section. So in that way you can give a better look to your text. So if you want to give any reflection of your text, then select the text, then again go to that option, reflection option. Here you can see there is many kind of reflection. I am selecting this reflection. So you can see the look of the text is totally changed. Then again I am selecting the text, same option we are going. Then there is a glow option. Here you can see that there is many color options. Here I am selecting this yellow color, and here is the final result. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you students.